Surrounded by forests and meadows, Baboolal Residence is a net-zero home designed with a solar-paneled unique roof shape for a multicultural family of 4 located near the town of Chapel Hill in North Carolina, United States. Inside of the home, there are high ceilings, clear-story windows, and an open-plan living room and dining room. Built to passive house standards for energy efficiency, operable glass doors were included in the home design to connect the interior spaces to the outdoors. Adjacent to the living room and dining room, the kitchen includes an island with wood cabinetry and white countertops. The home also has a nursery for the kids that they can each access from their respective bedrooms. The spa-like master bathroom has a high ceiling, black floor tiles, a dual sink vanity, a deep soaking tub, and a shower with a hexagonal tile accent wall. As well as a covered deck with outdoor fans, there's a fire pit for relaxing and taking in the prairie views, which is placed at the rear of this single-story home. Here's a look at the floor plan of the house.